What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna do a little slime collection, but today I only have 3, so I'm gonna be doing all of mine soon. So yeah, let me just mix it up. Okay. So the first one I have is this one, and it has a little bit of my blue slime, but I put it in there because I gave it to my friend, and then my friend, asked her because I'm gonna miss my slime, so I asked her if I could have a piece, and she said yeah. And it is a foam, so yeah, very nice one too. And it does not make poopy noises because it's too hard, so just gonna put that back in the container. The next one I have is my green slime, and no, this does not have a dip. So I did get this for Christmas actually. So this is the only one I have left. I had the black one and the green one, but my mom threw away the black one because I got all my book bags, so yeah. And no, it does not make cooking noises. Now this one is, sorry, there's cat food all over the table. It's pretty hard to open usually open my teeth. So this one my friend actually made, so it's pretty sticky. I'm probably not going to solve that problem, so I'll just take out a little piece. I don't want to get it everywhere. So this is what it looks like, and it has like big stars in here, but I don't know where the heck they are. So I'm just gonna take this container. My friend also added Bath and Body Works into this, so it smells really good. She added in, I think, the hand sanitizer. For some reason, right now, it's not that sticky.